Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We go live, we broadcast live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day. And we aim to be the most honest, real channel in the world. We go over multiple platforms. In fact, we are broadcasting to 20 different channels and stations at the same time. And we aim to be the best, most honest, real, live action broadcast in the world. Right now, we go out to 16 different countries. We have members in 16 different countries, and I will share with you in a few moments those countries. And what you see on the screen here is my real shares, my real money, my real positions. We're not sponsored by anyone that we don't believe in. We have 3 sponsors who pay $99 a month to sponsor our channel, but they're products and services that I actively take part in, that I believe in, that I'm helping to support. I take money from nobody that I don't believe in. This is all about building a family, not selling videos, not getting you to watch through clickbait. It's our real journey, our real experience. We started at $5,000 nearly 2 years ago in a couple of weeks' time. And here we are today, and we're at 41,000 on my main account. We're at 14,500 in my Roth IRA, and total now 56,361. That is an all-time high. Fan-flipping-tastic. All right, let's get straight into our trades and let's go. Let's give you all the information that you need. Below all my videos are is a ticker and information for all the things you need. This is running permanently below the video. It tells you exactly what's going on. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, take part in our polls, learn about my trades before I make them. If we get a scalp trade, this is the show where we do it, and we'll announce it live. You can also chat to my traders and investors 24 hours a day on Discord. It's free. However, if you are a member, you get many perks and benefits on top of that. Now, of course, last night we had some very interesting news, a video that's gone viral on my channel right now. It's my fastest ever growing video about Virgin Galactic. We'll discuss Virgin Galactic today. More on the show, of course. Let's bring everyone's comments in. If you smash the like on and follow me on Facebook right now, you can, and your name will appear on the screen. Same on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, Livestream Cafe, my own platform, TikTok, Twitch, and of course our home, Rumble, and our home is here on YouTube. All right, let's go. Our first comment was Connor Skeets from Facebook. Good morning to you, Connor. How are you this morning? Good morning, Ed Nevius. Welcome to Ed Nevius, our scalp trader. Welcome, Ed. Got your text up on the screen. Agent Shu. Agent Shu, I believe last night you went into Connor Skeets to just like the stream. Thank you very much. Appreciate that a lot. It really makes a difference. Agent Shu, I can see you in Discord. We're going to upgrade your account, are we, this morning? You became a member. So the first thing that we do is make sure that we've got the same name. We know it was you. We confirmed it was you last night. I just need you to say it's you on YouTube. Just say that is you on YouTube. And the reason we do this is people pretend to be our members to get all the perks and benefits. They get inside tips, inside information from our members prior to the show, and many people want that information. It's for members only. So Agent Shu, just say to me live on the screen, that is you. I'm sure it is, but just say it is on YouTube and I will start the process. Okay, I'll come back to that as soon as you've done that. Waiting for some EV incentives from Westminster Alley. Hello, doing well, Fada. Good morning. Thank you, Henrik, for liking the stream on Facebook as well. Henrik, I believe Henrik is from Denmark, if I'm correct in saying. These are our members now. We don't have anybody from Denmark. Yes, it's me. Great. I'm going to do that now. So let me go over to Discord and let's do it. Agent Shu. So the first thing I need to do is give you the same name. I'm not changing your name. It's just a nickname that we know you by here on our stream, so that everybody knows who you are, because we get lots of scammers and we don't want that. Okay, so we're going to give you the same name on here. SCHU. So everyone knows that it's you. Okay. There you go. That's just a nickname that you have here, so everyone knows it's you. Now, also what I'm going to do is now give you a role of member. You are a YouTube member, and as long as you stay a YouTube member, you will continue to get all these benefits. Now, like a magic button, you can now see all the extra channels, all the private in channels, and every morning come into the breakfast bar. Look at what someone Eric B's done this morning. I love it. You can come into the breakfast bar. I like that. Every morning, share with us your trades, your tips, what you're doing. I love that, Eric B, by the way. Fantastic. Look at that. I like when people have some fun with me. It's really good. So every morning, come into the breakfast lounge. You can also now see the stock news, the crypto news. If you've got any news you want to share in crypto, keep everything in the right channel. Crypto news, stock news. Ask the family a question. If you want to send in links for the show, be a researcher, you can. Things you want me to discuss, send in there because we can now verify you. You can now come to the broadcast lounge. I'll open it up. You can now call in. You can be live on the show, either via video or just audio right there. Thank you, Malk, for the like on Facebook. It makes a big difference. You can see Moose's tips, Sensei's tips, Ed Nevis's tips, education. It's all in there. Many, many more perks and benefits now you've joined Discord. Thank you very much indeed. All right, coming back to our stocks. Hello, doing well, Fatah. Hi, Martin, Bill, and Agent. Hi, I'm all good. How are things with you? Very well. I feel good today. Ed says good. It's me. Bill grabbed his comfy chair. Bill, how are you? Sweet in the Facebook house. Oh, yes. Lovely stuff. Now, if you can keep a Facebook tab open, it helps. We're trying to get to a certain number of watch hours so we can get upgraded on Facebook. All right. Now then, great day today. You will see running across the top of the screen, we have members now in Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, and Germany. Members from all of those countries. Can you believe it? Absolutely incredible. If your country is not recognized and you're thinking, hang on a minute, I'm watching you from wherever and I would like to be a member and I want all the perks and the benefits, and you get 20 times back what you put in. It's the best investment you'll ever make on our channel. Why? Because the price will never go up, so you'll never pay more for the share price. If you like, you think of it as buying a piece of Martyn Lucas Investor, and your services will get better and they will go up and up all the time. You'll never pay more and your benefits will go up. I missed a comment here from Sensei. It was before the show, so I can't broadcast it, but I can read it out. You can buy a Tesla for $27,000 in Colorado. Actually, Sensei, I believe you can buy it for $19,000 in California, which is the tax incentives. I don't know if you are talking about pounds or dollars, but I believe it's $19,000 in California. You can get a base model Tesla now with all the incentives. So yeah, it's cheaper than a gas car now. Absolutely. Off over to Rumble as well. Shall we go into Rumble and open up Rumble? Here we go. Here's our Rumble account this morning. Let's see who's in there, and let's go. Let's jump right in. We've got 3 watching this morning. Thank you very much indeed. I'll just drop a quick hello. Hello, guys. How you doing this morning? Lovely to see you. All right. Excellent stuff. Okay. Check out my comment. I think that was what you said. All right. Let's check our overall positions once again. Here we go. We are at an all-time high on our Roth IRA. We are an all-time high overall. Remember, I've taken money out of my account. I needed money to go onto my computer. So that's been done as well. No way it's that cheap in California. I believe it is. I believe it is, Sensei. Where did I read that? Excuse me. Where did I read that information? Read that information. Thought Colorado was the cheapest, 27,000. No. There is. Is it the what are we on now? The Model 3, isn't it? I think it's the I may have misquoted. Let me just get my facts straight on this one. I think it is what I read was they're working on Tesla is working on, I believe, Model 2. Your comment needs to be verified, Martyn. Yeah, it does. I believe Tesla is working on a new model, the Model 2, which will be $19,000. I might have that wrong. Just double check that for me. I'm sure you will. So it's a new model they are working on. I may have got that wrong, but I'm sure I read that on Tesla somewhere, and that would be $19,000 with the benefits. Anyway, I move on. But anyway, I'm sure somebody will correct me on that if I'm wrong. Anyway, good morning, Octavio. Good morning to you. Maut, good morning to you. How are you all this morning? Lovely to see you. We're watching out for our scalp trades, of course, and the moment we do from Ed, our team. We've got a team of investors, traders. We've got Sensei Crypto, takes care of our crypto. It's going on right now. In case you're wondering, all these things are going on as we speak all the time. Behind the scenes of my show, of this show, we have Sensei Crypto, we have Ed Nevius and more. We have researchers sending in information, and any moment we can release information from Crypto Sensei. We can release information from Ed, our scalp trades, Muzanella from our top tips, and all of it. So watch out for our poll. Now then, we are running a poll right now, and we're giving away some tickets for it as well. Here is the poll this morning we're running on Twitter. Take part, follow me on Twitter. You can earn tickets for our cash giveaway of $100, which will be on Friday. There is the poll. If you've not yet taken part in it, you're missing out. We're giving away $100. All right? Okay. Now, let me show you. There is the poll there. Do you think Virgin Galactic will 50x Model 3 rear-wheel drive? Hang on a minute. You can't have rear-wheel drive. It's it's an electric car. It doesn't make a difference. It's not like a geared car where you can drive power to one area. Is that a new thing they're doing? Sort of put the power into the back to make it skid, just fly around corners? I don't know. Yes, cheapest Tesla right now with federal and then state and top incentive is $27,000 in Colorado. Okay, all right. He's confirmed it. UFOs in Oxford. Haven't seen any lately. Brilliant. So there's the poll. Make sure that you take part in the poll. Leave me your thoughts, and we'll come back to that in a little bit. All right. Now then, also, I mentioned our giveaway. Here it is. It's coming up on Friday. And 10,000 tickets now. Now, I just want to make it absolutely clear, we haven't got 10,000 entries. We've got 10,000 tickets because you got the opportunity to win more tickets. Now, if you've not got all of these turned to ticks, you've got the opportunity to do more things. We did a new tweet this morning, retweet. There you go, the Virgin Galactic retweet. There you go. There it is. You can earn points for that. There is also enter the magic number from the video. If you watch this video all the way through from last night, the 50x Virgin Galactic, you can win tickets from that, and you put in your number. So if you think the number is, I don't know, 72, that's the wrong answer. If you think the number is 86, wrong answer. All right? You've got to get the right number. All right? Okay, so there you go. That is, let me just cancel that out a minute. And we also gave you, now, some of you missed this. Leave the precise comment. Some of you've missed this one. You have to watch it all the way through. Important tickets will not count if you don't do all and watch all and like. So if you leave ET phone space, only 2 people have claimed those tickets for that. You have to watch it all the way through. So I suggest you open a tab when you do it and let it run through. So the giveaway is tomorrow. You can win. There are 32 ways to win. And there you go. That's tomorrow. Now, if you want the link for that, this is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. The link for Sensei Crypto's website is there as well. Here is the cash giveaway. Fantastic. All right. There it is. There is our giveaway. Do you believe in aliens, Martin? I think it makes perfect sense to think there are infinite amount of solar systems and galaxies and so on and so forth, and to think that we are the only people that live on this one planet and this one galaxy and this one solar system. I don't know. It makes, I don't know. I mean, it makes sense to me that the chances of other life existing, why would there be all those planets and all those Milky Ways and all those solar systems and all those galaxies if only one place, planet Earth, anybody lived? I mean, remember, we're just organisms. We're not magic dust or anything. We're not like this magic thing. We are living, breathing organisms. Well, every planet is made up of living, breathing organisms, made up of chemicals and science and all the rest of it. So to say that there can only be people living on Earth makes no sense. Makes no sense to me. So I would have thought so. I would have thought so, wouldn't you? Anyway, Sensei, what do you mean? The cheapest has always been rear-wheel drive. Why can't any electric car have rear-wheel drive? Well, it's not the same though, is it? You can't drop the clutch, all right? You can't suddenly drive the energy. I mean, look, forget it, right? I'm not a mechanic. I'm just investing in Tesla. I don't want to be quizzed on how the flipping system works in detail, right, Sensei? You can do that, but I'm not biting, okay? I don't know. If the battery sends the electric power and the motor to the rear wheels, then it does, all right? I'm not Elon Musk. I didn't invent this stuff. I don't need to know that, all right? Check the breakfast bar. I'll go there right now when I'm ready. Cheapest are always rear-wheel drive, then all-wheel drive is more expensive. Yeah, what do they call it? Double motor. Dual motor, it's called. I know because my neighbour's got one across the road. So I do know what I'm talking about. Dual motor is when you have the motor to all four wheels, the front and the back. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Rear wheel drive, whatever. Can we move on now? AWD, better in the rain, snow, etc. AWD, better in the rain. What does that mean? Aliens are among us. Did you not watch Mork and Mindy? Do you mean Mork and Mindy? What was it? Yanu. Was it Nanu? Yeah, that's right. They live in an egg. They come out of a giant egg. So this is it. So if anyone wants to know any space information, just ask me. And I've watched Mork and Mindy, and I know that they live in eggs. Okay, so aliens live in eggs. It's official. I've said it. I've put it out there. I believe it as well. Mike believes it as well. It makes perfect sense, doesn't it? It's very arrogant to think that the only people, in the whole solar system, universe, galaxy, Milky Way, wherever you like, is us. I mean, living, breathing matter lives everywhere, right? Not just here on the Martyn Lucas show. Right, let's have a quick sip of tea. Okay. I believe. Right. Okay. The S&P today is up. We are up 0.13. Virgin Galactic is up today 1%. We broke through $4. Agent Shoe, Nanu. There it is. Nanu. That's it. We got it right now. We've been corrected. Right, breakfast bar. Apparently, I've got to go into the breakfast bar. So anyway, let's have a look. Now we've got the facts. No more messing around. Now we've actually got the facts. We can actually, discuss it in greater detail. Are you ready? Okay, let's have a look. This is Tesla this morning. Let's have a look. So Model 3. There you go. Model 3, £42,000. And there it is. Well, what does that say? £20,000. So I was right, Sensei. Again, Martyn Lucas is right. Again, look. You said dollars. It's £27,000. I knew I was flipping right. Right, here we go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm right again. I don't want to say that I'm always right, but, more often than not I am. So here we go. Just for the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight on trampoline. So here we go. Here we go. We're going to do it right now. So look. All right. So we've got this little added feature for you now. This is called an added feature when I do stuff like this. Right. So £27,000. Let's do it properly. All right. £27,000 is $33,000. Okay. That's what it is. £27,000 is $33,000. Anyway. All right, there we go. So that is the cheapest car apparently now in the United States of America. I'm not so sure, actually. I think there are cheaper Teslas than that. Can we have a little research, please? Can someone run around? Can somebody run around, please, doing some checks? What is the cheapest Tesla in America? Because obviously it's more expensive in the UK. We know that anyway. All right. Anyway, enough of this silliness. We need to move on. We've got people watching thinking, what is going on in this show? I've never seen anything like it. Anyway, let me just clear the board on Discord. There we go. The board is cleared. And the breakfast lounge is now ready. The broadcast lounge is open. And the breakfast bar is open for those who want to call in. Right. They're not called aliens. You're using the wrong word. I think that means context. I have to translate as well. Not only do I have to be right all the time, I have to translate everybody. I think you mean context. They are called interdimensional or hyperdimensional beings, just like we are interdimensional. I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm not interdimensional. There's no way I'm interdimensional. I can't possibly be interdimensional. Nothing about incentives. The Colorado Tesla is $27,000, around £22,000. All right, Sensei. Can we move on from this? All right, John Patman. John, would you bring it back to some sense for us, please? Click on the breakdown on the price. You can't click on that. It's a picture, John. John, I was hoping that you would bring on some level balanced debate here, and you've gone and said, click on the price. It's a photograph. It's an image. He screen grabbed it. It's not the real website. It's a screen grab. All right. So, John, I was relying on you, giving me some balance, balancing Sensei out there, but you came back and you said that. Anyway. Anyway, let's go through the stocks. This is supposed to be a stock show. It never has been. It never will be. It is what it is. It takes a life of its own, right? Anyway, there we go. There's my overall portfolio, and there is the Roth IRA. We got half an hour to go before the bell goes. Looking good. All-time highs. We like it. Making money more every day. All right. Let's go over now to breaking news on Bloomberg. If we've got anything, we'll bring it to you. It'll come up probably in the next couple of minutes. Nothing yet. Let's have a quick listen in.
Bloomberg's covering all.
Nothing there yet. If it does, I will share it on the screen. Right now, we're not seeing anything. So I've got it ready to go. This is Bloomberg. The moment I see anything from Bloomberg, Sky News, BBC, you name it, I bring it on so we can see it as we're trading as well. All right. Okay. Rivian today is up 0.76. USC's end June cash pile near $425 billion after sealing deal. So now the US can spend even more money, getting even more debt. Might as well. Then we'll just print some more money. I mean, we might as well. I mean, I'm going to adopt the same policy soon. I'm going to act the same way as the US government. I'm going to just keep giving myself more money. All right, and it should all be good. And we'll just do that forever. And then I can be an interdimensional being. So hang on a minute. So the post I showed you was just to show you that there is a rear wheel drive. I know. John Patman didn't get that though, did he? Nothing to do with the incentives and cheapest Tesla. I know. But anyway, Eric B is thinking, I can't cope with this. Sorry, let's move on. Yes, let's move on. Just trying to say Tesla has a car. Yet we know what you're saying. You've been saying the same thing now for the last half an hour. I think basically what you're trying to do is take over my show. All right? So there is such a thing as a rear-wheel drive. We've established that 20 minutes ago. You interact with things up to 2 dimensions, so therefore you are interdimensional. I don't. No, I don't. I refuse to do it. I refuse to interact interdimensionally. We use kangaroos in Australia. So, there you go. Jason Fallon has just made you look at Jason Fallon has just made you look right, Nana Sensei. There's no real wheel drive in Australia. They use kangaroos. So and there's no interdimensional because if you look on a map, Australia is clearly flat. There's no multi-dimension. If you look on a map, I think you'll agree that that Australia is most certainly flat. It's a flat dimensional surface. No question about it. We all established that. Rear wheels are good, Ali. Yeah, you don't want to go with just the front wheels. I tend to find the car falls over. Anyway, Prius is better anyway, James says. James just threw a sideball. It is because potential savings include gas savings over a 6-year period. It's not actual price paid. John Patman has brought it back to some sense again. Thank you, John. Thank God John's here. Kangaroos are also good. Please tell us more about Tesla prices. James, you're out of luck, mate. We've been doing it for half an hour. Yes, I would take a rear-wheel Tesla for 20 grand any day of the week. Can anyone hear a fan? Yeah, there's always one clown, isn't there? 6 people downloaded the book last night and 1 person bought a physical book. I don't know who. Can't possibly say. 6 people downloaded the book last night and that was good. We liked that. I do want to say, though, that I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed because last night, in fact, I'm going to bring it up. I don't care. I'm going to bring it up because last night I asked everybody and I got some people complain. I actually had complaints sent in to the management department of this show. We've put them in the relevant filing cabinet. I received letters last night that we spent too much time talking about Mark Corn's book, and we got letters this morning. They've gone into the filing cabinet, and it's known as the waste paper basket. It's a special department in charge of complaints, and we received the complaint this morning, and I was thrilled with it, and I decided to forward it on to the to the relevant department. Anyway, so we did that. I just thought I'd let you know. It was, very important. I'm going to, hang on a minute, I've got to change something here. Okay, here we go. I want to fix something this morning. It needs to be fixed because it's just not good enough. Last night we shared a link with you. You may remember of Mark Corn's book. One of our members is actually like a famous author and everything like that. And he's got a 5-star review on Amazon. 6 people downloaded the book, 1 person bought it. But I have to say, I'm very disappointed because I'm the only person. It's got 1 rating. It's got 1 rating, and guess who made that rating? Martyn Lucas. The only person who could be bothered leaving a rating. I'm just saying, only 1 person left a rating. Go on this link right now and leave a rating. It's not hard. Make him famous. I want to hear tomorrow Jeff Bezos ring me up and say, Martyn, Mark Corn is now a famous author on. He's now a famous author on Amazon. I'm serious. I'm really quite disappointed. So here is the link. If you've not yet done the link, I want you to do the link. I want you to do it now. Because not only that, you can make yourself as famous as me. You can then walk around in this interdimensional universe and you can say you're as famous as Martyn Lucas because you will actually be on that rating. And I will actually go back to it in about 10 minutes and see if we've got more than 1 rating. So right now there is only 1 rating and it's Martyn Lucas. So, I'm just saying, you can go and rate this book. Do it. You've all bought one, so go and rate it. Lazy people. Lazy. Again, lazy. Good morning. What did I miss? Everything. If you come late, too bad. Let's have a look at XRP. I hate when he does that. When he does that, we know what that means. When Sensei goes, let's look at XRP, we all know what that means. Shall we do it? We all know what that means. He loves it. He wouldn't say it otherwise. He wouldn't. Mullen's gone down again, by the way, if you just noticed. No surprise there, really, is it? Let's look at XRP. Okay. Here we go. XRP. You know it's gone up when he says this. Hang on. Oh, yeah. 53 now. Oh, yeah. I bought it. What did I buy it? Was it 50, wasn't it? Yes. 53 now. Let's do it on the week, shall we? Looks better on the week. Always pick the one that makes it look the best. That's what I say. Always pick the one that makes it look the best. Anyway, there we go. We've looked at it. I knew that was what was going on. Also, Martin, Robinhood's delisting Matic. Robinhood is delisting Matic, by the way. When's that happening? Really? So I've got Laura Torres. Laura. Aren't you from Mexico? Laura, are you from Mexico? Because we've just started this. Look, we've got members, actual members in 16 countries. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, and Germany. We do not have anybody from Mexico. So if you are from Mexico, I'm just writing down that I've got to do something here, very important. I'm really like, what? Matic. Matic being delisted. I've got to get rid of it then. That's a bit of a shame. Anyway, so if you become a member, Laura, you can represent, if you are from Mexico, I think you are, you can be the first person, and you can always know that you are the person flying the flag for your country. It's a permanent feature of our show. I'm based in Mexico, John Patman, but you're not a member. So who's going to be the first person to be a member in Mexico and fly the flag for Mexico? Anyway, Mark Korn, he's loving it. Look, Tiagio, good, Asa, hang on. Oh, hang on. I missed it. Damn it, I missed it. Okay, it's breaking news time. It's breaking news. Damn it, how long ago was that? Okay, here we go, folks. Here we go. Breaking news. It's our breaking news this morning. Here we go. FARM. Farm. You're watching it now. FARM. This is breaking news now. Here we go. Okay, farm is ordered. We've just ordered farm. It's just okay, we've just bought farm. So we're going to alert you now to this. This is a breaking news story. This is our stock tip this morning. FARM. Everyone, if you want to jump in on this one, I have just bought in on farm. There we go. We've just bought in farm buy. It's just appeared on the screen. So let me do that again right now. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Our scalp trade of the morning has just happened. It is Farm Brothers 316. We've just jumped in and we have bought Farm this morning. We are ready to go. This is my position. It's a scalp trade just coming. This is very, very high risk. We want to alert everybody how risky this is. Extremely risky, but it's our top tip of the morning. So what we're going to go do now is we'll make 2 videos. This is our breaking news that we're putting in money into Farm, and then there will be a follow-up very, very shortly about the resolution of Farm. So we're now going to go over to live on our Twitter account, and we want you to take part in this. Here we go. This is our Twitter right now, so it is our top tip of the morning. Are you jumping in? Here it is, FARM. This is our alert this morning, FARM. And our scalp trade this morning. Our scalp trade. Now, are you in? Are you in? And if you're watching this video later on, I want you to go and vote on this and comment whether you like this feature in our show, what you think about it, and whether you think it's a good trade right now. Are you in? I'm also going to add the extra information here. I want to get everybody voting on this right now. Okay, here we go. I will edit this slightly when I make it. Okay. So we're just looking at it right now, and we are in. Let's have a look. Scroll down here. I want to add this. Okay. Join us live. Put this into the question. Are you in? There you go. Our scalp trade now. Are you in? So let's see who jumps onto this one, and we'll just close that out. We don't want that because it's a poll. Yes or no? I want to know if you're in or not. Yes or no. It's a very short, a one-day poll. And there we go. And we want you to leave your comment on that one. Okay. And tweet. Okay. Send now. I will give everybody the link to it. I am in, but I can't vote, of course. Here it is. There is the poll there. Go and vote on that, and we're running that for you right now. There is the poll, and I'll leave that open, and we'll see. And we are watching this scalp trade right now. Okay. We'll come back to that. We've already got 1 vote. Yes, we've got 1 vote. Who is that? Let me know your thoughts. When you vote, leave me your comments below so I know what your thoughts are and what your price target is, when you'll be getting out, that kind of thing, and whether you enjoy this feature or not, what you think. Is it exciting? Anyway, there we go. So there it is, and we will end this video on this, and then we'll edit this down. So there is Farm Brothers. So we just have a quick look at it. It doesn't really matter too much what this is. My team of scalp traders have made the decision to be in. Let me do that alert again. Okay, there we go. I'll add this to the video. Farm Brothers Co. engages in a manufacture, wholesale, and distribution of coffee, tea, and culinary products. Remember, it doesn't really matter to us what this company is. This is not an investment. It's not a long-term swing investment at all. It's not even a day trade. It's a scalp trade. What we are doing is trading on momentum of the stock. That is it. We don't intend to keep it more than a few seconds. It could be a few minutes, it could be an hour, but we are looking to get out of it pretty much straight away. If it does drop from here, we may even decide to take a loss on it. It is very high risk, very high volatility. We are 15 minutes before the bell goes at the making of this video, so be careful. Go above my head, which is about there, and you can vote on this on our Twitter account. Until next time, we'll be back very, very shortly with the outcome of our first scalp trade of the day. Good luck. Okay. We are running that now, and we'll just let that sit there for a minute. We've got 15 minutes to go. Let me read some of the comments that are coming in. It actually helps me a lot if people leave a review. Martyn's pushed me 100 spaces. Damn right. Damn right. Where's the money? Where's this? I've pushed him 100 spaces. That's got to be worth 50 quid, isn't it? 50 quid? But having said that, he's given the book away for free, so probably not. Did you get any inspiration from Ricky Gervais? Ricky Gervais, not getting involved. Not getting involved. What I will say, John Patman, is if you give me a super chat or a crypto tip, martynlucas.com/tip, and we'll talk about your favorite crypto if you do. It's a great way to promote your favorite crypto. Then you will see exactly what you will see my Ricky Gervais dance. Oh yeah, if it's a good tip. Don't do it. I won't do it for like 99 cents. I won't do it for 99p. But if you give me a decent tip, I'll do it. Come, mate. Spec talk about it. Spec talk? Do you mean getting boring now? Summers. Come on, mate. Right. Come on, mate. Well, first of all, Summers, you're not a member to our channel, right? We have to focus on our focus on our members, the people who watch every day, who are members to our channel. If it's boring, you can always switch over to another channel, but you don't own my channel. I am answering everyone's questions, but one thing you have to do, Summers, if you're going to have a go at me and tell me my show's boring, which is fine. You can say my show's boring if you want. You're perfectly welcome to do so. I'll come round your house and say you're boring. We can trade boring trades, all right? Anyway, the point is you have to make sure that you spell SPCE correctly, because I'm looking at that thinking, hang on, how can I have a conversation about spec? It can't be right. I'm thinking you're meaning SPCE. Anyway, I'm from Mars. It's getting boring now. I'm based in Mexico. There you go. John Patman, we've got several people in Mexico, but haven't become members yet, so we're not flying the flag for Mexico yet. Anyway, not sure when. We'll let you know if there's an update. Yes, please do, because I don't want to be in on a stock that I can't use on Robinhood. I hate that. All crypto but BTC and Ethereum following the government crackdown. XRP, Solana. Paul Holt has just liked the stream. Thank you much indeed. We'll leave major trading platforms. Ugh. Inbound fake news. XRP was not mentioned in any filing because it's already in court. Also, Ethereum isn't safe and it's not all crypto. There we go. That's an important update from Inbound fake news. XRP was not mentioned in any filing because it's already in court. Also, Ethereum isn't safe and it's not all crypto. Thank you for that, Sensei. Tight stock will break. Stay safe, please. Okay, let's go back to Pharma. Let's have a quick look. We might take a loss on it. We shall see. We're down very slightly. Let's have a quick look. Let's read some more comments. The guy's problem with Coinbase in Binance is the listing of altcoins. We've got a debate going on between Sensei and Inbound right now. I do believe it's not safe, says Sensei. Hello, good morning, Eduardo. Good morning. I am in from Farm. Thank you, George. I am in on Farm, selling direct shipping business for 100 million. Thank you, LOL. Well, the free period ends today for the book, but I can give out PDFs. I just gave a review. There you go. That's more like it. Do you use Robinhood in the UK or are you based in the US? Thanks. I am in the US, even though I also have a home in the UK. Okay, so become a member and then we can fly the flag for our Mexican members. All right, we do not have anybody from Mexico yet. All right, okay. There we go. All right. So we are going to set a stop loss. I can't, hang on a minute. Trade, sell. Let me just put this in here. A farm falls to a fixed stop point, trigger a market sell. Okay, we are running at what are we running right now? We're running at 312, so $3 would be out. That would be 12, 295, something like that. Trade, sell, number of shares. We'll do a. Let me share with you what I'm doing here, so you can see what I'm doing exactly. Stop if farm falls to a fixed stop price, trigger a market sell. There we go. So we'll put that in there, continue that, and we'll go 290. 290. That's 10. That's 23. Okay, 290. Continue. Continue. And I've got, how many shares do I have? I have 32. We'll sell all of those if that happens. All right. Okay, so we're going to protect our loss. Oh, pattern day trade warning. I've used all my day trades. Damn it. Okay, I should have checked that first. Now, what that means is I have infinite amount of day trades, infinite, because I have over $25,000. However, I've turned pattern day trading on because I want to make sure that I can do stock lending and also earn on uninvested cash. However, because I've got it turned on, it only allows me a number of trades to make, and I've obviously used them all. So I can't actually do that right now. Dismiss that, so I'm not going to be able to do it. I am in now. And if it goes down, I lose my money. I should have checked that. I've used all my day trades. So if it does carry on going up, I need it to last until tomorrow, unless one of my day trades expires when the bell goes in 10 minutes, and I might have another one, so I'll check that in a minute. But right now, that's my situation. So that's my mistake there. I should have actually checked my my limits. So I'm going to go to my settings now. I can't show you this because this will show my account number, but I'm actually going to go into my Roth IRA, and I've probably used all my, yes, there you go. I can't share it on the screen because it will show my number, but yes, I have. June the 5th was the first one, so it's not going to fall off today, I'm afraid, being the 7th. So if I do a day trade today, I have to turn it off. And if I turn it off, then I will lose uninvested cash investing. I will also lose stock lending, which I don't want to do. So you'll know in 10 minutes, either moon open or fall to the floor. Yes, I could end up losing my $100. There's nothing I can do about it now. I can turn it off and I can trade it, but then I will lose the benefits, and I prefer the benefits. So that's my mistake there. I didn't check if I had a day trade left. CJET, FRZA, and Abria have taken my day trades. And unfortunately, because of that, I could end up losing my money. There's nothing I can do about it. I could turn it off, but I've chose not to. So I'm going to have to ride that out. I would rather ride that out and lose the $90 and hope it comes back tomorrow or whatever. So that's where we are right now. There's nothing I can do about that. Well, there is, but I'm choosing not to. So let's have a little look at the stock. Is it likely to last a day or two? Let's have a look. It's not an IPO. It's been around for a while. So there you go. It's been around for 5 years. So it's not like it's a brand new stock which is popping and going down again. It is down, so it could swing trade. This could come back. Let's have a quick look a bit more about it. Manufacture, wholesale and distribution of coffee, tea and culinary products. So who knows? I might remain in and tomorrow it'd be up 30%. Who knows? But the fact of the matter is I'm staying in right now, and decision made. If I lose the money, I lose the money. That's a lesson learned. Check your day trades, because now we're doing lots of day trades. That's the situation. Anyway, how's the music channel? We've got 7 minutes to go. Shall we see if our guest is still here before I look at that? Is it Summers? Summers says it's getting boring now. I got told off. Summers. No, Summers is still here. Are you still, how are you? Let me go, how are you? This is Summers. Summers said this is boring now. He didn't like my channel. He said this is boring. But, you know, I answer everyone's questions, engage with all my members. You know how you can change that, Summer? You can become a member and I will focus on you. I will answer all your questions, cover all your interests. That's how you can solve that. Anyway, just saying. Right, farmers, I'm locked in. I'm locked in on a scalp trade. Well, that's exciting. Anyway, what do you reckon about that, Ed? Oh my gosh. Right, let's have a quick look. Virgin Galactic, we're keeping our eye on Virgin Galactic. We want to keep Summers happy. All right, very, very important. How many ratings has Mark Corn got now? It says 1 because it has to process on Amazon. So I'll check back tomorrow. So there's no point me checking now, is there? Right, I need to... What was I going to do then? There was something I was going to do. That was it, the music channel. Yes. This is for Mike. Let's have a quick look. I will cover it if... You will not cover it, Ed Nevius. You will not cover it. That is my mistake. That's how wonderful Ed Nevius is. It just shows you that our information is coming from somebody who is trying to offer the best service and protect everybody, help everybody. He's not, we're not trying to make sensational videos. We're giving you real support. As you can see, he just offered to give me my $100 back. That's the sort of guy he is. So you know that, folks. We are really trying to help people, okay? This is not a pump and dump channel. This is the most honest channel online. That's what this is, okay? Right, quickly, we've got 4 minutes to go. And Mike has asked, what is the music channel now? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It is now 3,971. 3,971. So we're nearly there. 3,971. Right at the top. Can you see it just there? Look. 397.6. So I rounded up to 3,971. There you go, Mike. Nearly there. Mike's thinking, why am I the only person doing it? For those of you who don't know, my music channel has suffered because I'm spending all my time with this channel, and my music channel really is my passion and my home. However, I've not been on it. So if anyone can help me, otherwise I'm about to be demonetized, and that would be a great shame, as I've had my channel for like 30 years, right? I think about 20, not 30. There's my music channel. Pick a playlist and let it run. That's what Mike is doing. He's opening up a window. He picks a playlist like this. Right, I'll do it right now. I'll show you how you do it. You pick a playlist. You click play all like that, and it doesn't count if I do it, but I'll show you anyway. And you can click loop at the top. See the little loop button there? Look, little loop button there. And you can let that run in the background while you're watching the show right now. And hopefully tomorrow we'll be at 4,000 watch hours. There's my music channel. Videos with me, with Elton John and Paul McCartney, you name it. Anyway, back to our trades. Let's have a quick look. Keep in mind, you get 3 more day trades in your brokerage account. Correct. I know it's tax, but it's more correct. You're absolutely correct. I'd rather not bother, though. I'd rather not bother. This is all scalp trading in no tax. That's where I want to do it. But thank you very much indeed. Ed is way too kind. Cannot accept that. Please, can you show your equity portfolio before the open of Robinhood account? Can you show your equity portfolio? John Patman, how long have I got? Oh, 1.5 minutes. Bloody hell, mate. I'll try. Here we go. This is for John Patman. I only do this for members, but I'll do it for you because you'll become a member in a minute, right? Okay, this is my overall portfolio. I've got 41 grand, all started at 5,000. There's Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Matic, VU, Amazon, Apple, NEE, Coca-Cola, J&J, CVX, Enphase, Space, Microsoft, Tilray, Google, Lucid, McDonald's, Rivian, Robinhood, XOYD, Tesco, Fun, Walmart, SoFi, IonQ, Rocket Labs, Tesla, AI, VorbQ, Mull, and PG. There you go. There's my full list. I just about squeezed that in for you. We've got 1 minute to go. The bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto this morning. Whoops, you jumped the gun there, Martin. Try that again in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I can't believe I got that in. I cannot believe I got that in. Bloody hell. Right. Anyway, good afternoon, everyone. I am looping right now. If everyone does it, we'll be there today. Today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. One day I'm going to get the lovely Leah come in a lovely outfit, and she can ring the bell. That'd be amazing, baby, did that. No. Leah's not doing it this morning. I've got a nice cup of tea and a cup of coffee. How lucky am I? There we go. 20 seconds to go. Let's get ready to ring the bell. Members now in 16 countries around the world. Yes, indeed. Can you believe it? Here we go. Just a few seconds to go now. We're about to ring the bell. And today's bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're off. The bell is gone. The market is open here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Let's go and have a look. Let's have a look what our farm situation is. It's just dropping down. In fact, it's still holding at the moment. So let's go through all our positions. Here's our main account. Here's the S&P just dropping off slightly. Virgin Galactic is now at 408. We put a video out last night. It's my #1 video ever on my channel. Look at this, and you can see, because if I refresh the screen, look at the fireworks. Look, that means it's my top video ever for growth. It's the Virgin Galactic video. Everyone has gone nuts over it. I'm over the moon with it. Virgin Galactic is piling up now, 408, 409. And people often say to me, do you think you have any influence over the stock? The answer is absolutely not. I'm way too small of a YouTuber to influence a stock. However, I do rank #1 in the world for Virgin Galactic search term on YouTube, above Virgin Galactic itself. I also rank for the SPCE stock above anyone else in the world on YouTube and Google. So yes, my videos influence people's thoughts on Virgin Galactic, perhaps, but my channel itself does not influence the stock. It can't. I'm way too small. I'd need millions of viewers, millions of people trading the stock to make a difference. Maybe one day that will happen, but right now that is not the case. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is up. None Farms is going down at the moment. I hope it remains in for tomorrow. Virgin Orbit is up. Rivian is up. Tesla is up 3.14. Pharma, there we go. We're looking at Pharma right now, and as you can see, we are up on it at the moment. I've got my position. I'm actually down 6% at the moment, but I'm not trading it today. Lucid, I made a mistake because I run out of day trades, even though I could turn it off. Lucid's going down to anything. It's not worth anything at all. It loses $500,000 on every car it sells. Apple, fantastic. I love the new Vision Pro. Love it. Amazon today is up. Muln is down 10% today. Muln is probably going to zero. Hate to say it, folks, but we'll bring it up on the screen. We get a lot of traction for Muln as well. I'm sorry to say it's probably going to zero. It's getting shorted to death. There we go. We're back on farm again, carrying on Lucid. Apple is piling up. Need the entire steam to share the video on Twitter. Need the entire stream to share that video on Twitter. You need the entire stream, I think you mean. I am on Twitter. We are running live on Twitter right now. Agent Shu, this show is running live on Twitter, if that's what you mean. Look, here we are live right now. We're live every day on Twitter. And yes, please go and retweet. Every morning, everybody retweet this. In fact, that's a little job. Every morning, everyone should retweet the live stream. So everybody in the world will go, what the hell? Martyn Lucas is live absolutely everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. There's got to be something going on here. Anyway, there you go. You're not trading the scalp today. Unfortunately, I can't. I've explained why. I bought the scalp today. We have an alert. This was the alert that went out some moments ago. If you missed it, every morning, well, not every morning. If there's not one to do, we won't do it. But this was the trade this morning. This was it. And it was for farmers. I bought in, but I didn't check that I had a day trade left, and I don't. I can turn it off. However, it's worth more to me to not get marked as a pattern day trader. I don't mind being pattern day trader. It doesn't matter. I can trade 1,000,000 times a day. It doesn't matter. However, if I get marked as a pattern day trader, I cannot do stock lending, and that's important to me. It earns me money. I can also not do uninvested cash, and that earns me good money as well. So on balance, even if I lose the 90 bucks, I will take that loss. Hopefully that won't happen. And it could swing trade. If it was an IPO or it was a brand new stock, maybe I would lose that money. However, the company's been around for a while, and we might get some bounce again in a week or a month from now. But I will be looking to get out of the stock, absolutely, for a profit. But I may be locked in now until tomorrow because I don't want to lose those benefits. Anyway, that's my situation. You never know, it might go in my favor because it might go down 30% and everyone gets out, and then tomorrow it goes up 100%. Who knows? However, that's the decision I am making. That was a scalp trade this morning. Okay. Anton, haven't been online in the last week. Is Virgin a good short time investment? Is Virgin a good short-term investment? Well, I'm buying it and holding it now because I'm expecting the flights around the corner any day. So for me, it's a long-term hold, really. This is my, I've got two positions, my long-term position and my trading position, but I'm not taking profits until we go above 7 on my day trading account, and then I won't sell any more until we get to 100 or 30 on the way to 100. And the reason for that is we put out a video last night, and there is real belief now that it could 50x. You don't believe me? I know it sounds crazy, but this video last night explains why. If you didn't see it, look, it's my #1 video ever. See how it's doing the fireworks on YouTube? I've never had a video grow that fast. You need to go and check that out. If you want the link to that video, I will give it you right now. Here is the link to that video. You need to go and see it before you make any investments on Virgin Galactic. Here is the video. If you've not seen it, I'm also giving away a $100 cash prize by watching and leaving a comment on it as well. If you go and follow that, there it is. There's the link for the video. You can win $100 by watching it, leaving the right comment, and solving the number puzzle, all right, as well. So there are 2 reasons to watch that video, and third reason, so you can make money on Virgin Galactic. Anyway, I was referring to the news video you put out last night. I was referring to the news video. Need the entire stream to share that. You're asking everyone to share the video on Twitter. Yes, please do. Please do. I've shared it on Twitter. Well, the way to do it, actually, Agent Shu, the way to do it would be, and they are already doing it. So I'm already ahead of you there, Agent Shu. That's why I'm the YouTuber, right? This is the video here on YouTube, and I'm actually again giving $100 cash prize to retweet this. There's the retweet button there. Look, there's the video. There's that you could retweet this one. I believe I asked you to retweet this one in the competition, but and also retweet the Virgin Galactic one as well. Yes, indeed. Virgin Galactic is now pumping. Look at this. We're up 4% now. Everyone, this is FOMO now. This is absolute FOMO. We might get a short squeeze here. This could go to $7 in minutes. Could. Right, Virgin Galactic is now absolutely exploding. This is really, really great. Congratulations to everybody who is in. I hope you all make some money. And Farmers is going up. I'm still in. I'm not selling it today. So that's interesting. Man U is flying. Bought it at $15. Nice one, Shan. Congratulations. Congratulations to you for that. All right. So very exciting stuff. And our scalp trade this morning is now up. We are up 66%. We put this out this morning. So I will add this. Let me put in farm, scalp, top of show. No, it was on the bell, wasn't it? On bell, or just before the bell. Let me do a quick update. Farm update. And let me double check that. The time. This is our scalp trade tip this morning we gave to you. Let's have a look now. If you want to know why we make these scalp trades, then it's Senza. If you got that number, if you got that code, I'm not giving out your thing anymore until I get a code. I want to be measured. Right, I want to be measured. There you go. I'm making a deal. I'm not giving out your code anymore and your link anymore until you give me my code. All right. 1 hour 6. Here we go. Farm update. 1 hour 6. 1.06. Okay. Here we go. So a quick update on this one here. A quick update on farm. We are now up 68%. This was our scalp tip today. I hope you're all making some money right now. Now, it's a bit of breaking news on this. This is our scalp trade tip. We announced it earlier on, and hopefully you all made some money, or you are all now making money. It's up 68%. But here is the updated news. This is there'll be another follow-up video when I finally get out of this stock, and I say finally for a reason. And the reason is I didn't check one thing. I didn't check that I have any scalp trades left, any day trades left. Now, what do I mean by that? I can trade as many times as I like. I have over $25,000 in my account, so I can trade as many times as I want. However, I've run out of day trades without being marked as a pattern day trader. That's important to me because if I remain a non-pattern day trader, it doesn't make any difference. It's not a bad thing or anything, but if I remain a non-pattern day trader, I can earn money on my stock lending, and I can also earn money on uninvested cash, which I earn a lot of money on. So I've decided not to turn that off, not to disable that, and have to wait until tomorrow, which would then be a swing trade. So I bought $100 of this stock. If it goes down, theoretically, I could lose $100. However, I've looked at the chart and thought to myself, this could swing and stay up for several days. So for me, I've decided not to take the scalp trade because even though I can turn off pattern day trading, I will lose more money in uninvested cash and stock lending. So I'm deciding to risk it all and go all in and hold it till tomorrow. Now, if you look at it, it could easily do that. However, it could drop. I'm not recommending you do that. I'm just giving you the information that I'm doing. I will be back later for part 3 of this video to tell you how I got on. It won't be today. It will be at the very earliest tomorrow. Wish me luck. Okay, that will go out later. Okay, as the follow-up. Space is spicy for the legends. Space is spicy. Yes, indeed. There's bound to be some selling right now. People will take profits at this point. And there she goes. So just be aware. It's bound to happen. All right. The overall markets are up. Just pointing off a little bit now. The S&P is doing well. We are up 10% now, the highest we've ever been on the S&P, Virgin Galactic. I'm up on my main account, and I'm down on my Roth IRA. So there we go. I'm at 9% now. Very nice. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, going back down. Tesla, up. Farm, I'm holding it. Has anyone taken their trades yet? Has anyone got out of this yet? If you've just tuned in, please subscribe and ring the bell if it's your first time, and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. It makes such a difference to us. Right then, let's have a look. You know what I'm going to say? I've got a bone to pick. Oh, yes. I work hard here. I'll give you free entertainment. The least you could do. Oh, the least you could do. You know what it is. 1 minute on the clock. Let's have a quick look. We've got 54 watching. 54 watching, and we've only got 27 likes. 54 watching. Now, if you like the video, it shares it out to more people. Go on, tap the like button, smash the like button, whatever you like. Let's get it to 30 in the next 40 seconds. I know we can do it because we've got the most engaged members here. They just sometimes need a little reminder in the morning because they're half asleep and they forget. I'm just saying. You ready? You watch that. It will start to move in the next 10 seconds. I'm going to count. There you go. It went 28. Go on, I want 30. Come on, you can do it. There you go. I told you, didn't I? Didn't I tell you? Best found in the world. There you go. Thank you very much indeed for liking the video. Positive energy draws positive energy, and we all grow and we all win. As Virgin Galactic is starting to take off today, and Farmers is our scalp trade as well. We're sharing that with you live on the screen as well. All right, let's get ready. My overall portfolio is up. Let's check our overall balances right now, shall we? See where we are on the chart. Let's have a quick look at it. Let's have a quick look and see where we are. We're breaking all-time records once again. Here we go. This is my main account. All-time high today. Fantastic. When I say all-time high, after the rebalance, okay? We reset our account. Roth IRA is also up today. That is an all-time high. Why? There is the all-time position. That is literally an all-time high. My balance is an all-time high since we rebalanced as well. We would actually be at 57,000 now because we did take out, of course, some money to pay for my new computer, which is bringing you this broadcast. Kind of wouldn't work otherwise, right? Anyway, there it is. We'll keep our eye on Farm as well. We'll scroll back down and we'll bring Farm to you. As you know, I'm holding it now overnight. That is the way it has to be. Yes, I took profit. Thanks, Ed and Martin. Craig, congratulations. I'm glad you made some money at my expense. That's fine. Don't worry. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad that we brought you this great entertainment and you made some money at my expense. Don't feel bad. It's my gift to you. Or is it midnight and sleepy? Nick Gerard, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Gerard, how are you? UCAR is also taking off. Queen of self-braiding. Thank you very much indeed. Trading stop at break even to stay safe. There you go. Trading stop loss is in now from Ed. This is the update. I'm going to bring it to you now. This is the breaking news. You can see it on the screen. There you go. Top at the bottom left-hand corner. Trailing stop at break even to stay safe. There you go. It's not how much money you make. It's the fact that you do make money and you don't lose it. That is the important part. Everybody make some money consistently. Protect your money. Who cares if you only make 5%? Who cares? That's 5 times what you'll make in a year in the bank. So you make 5% in 5 minutes, get out. Who cares? Who cares? You've done no research on it. We've done all the research for you. We've brought you all the information. All you've got to do is take your profit, all right? Bearing in mind, though, if I tell everybody to take their profit, I'm guaranteed to lose money. So, again, don't feel bad if you all make money and I lose money. That's absolutely fine. That's just the way this is now. Lovely cup of coffee. All right. Welcome, everybody. Virgin Galactic this morning. Virgin Galactic. We got people now taking profit. Whoops. We've got people taking some profits. Now it's going back up again. Now we put the news out. Why? This is why. I brought out a video last night, and it's trending all over the place. It's my #1 video ever. So that's great for me as a channel, which is nice. And how do you feel selling Tesla at 189? Perfectly right, because it's balanced. I took some profit at 189, as you know, and I bought Virgin Galactic. I bought the S&P 500, which still owns Tesla, so I bought it in other ways. So yes, it was the right thing to do. I still own Tesla because I have it in the S&P, and I also still have 32% profit, and it's 24% of my portfolio, which is still extremely overweighted. So I don't feel bad at all. Chanel White, good go though, to try and make me feel bad, and you're making me feel a little bit bad, but not quite, but good go. I like it. No, it's the right thing to do. You've got to trim off you've got to trim off. And now I'm holding. Now I'm not selling. I've already trimmed, so I've taken some money out. So now I'm playing with if you like, I'm playing with the house's money now. Now I want to keep it long term. It's my Roth IRA after all. However, should it go up 100% and I need a source of funds, I need to pay for my computer, and I've got 100% profit on Tesla, why not? You know, the money is there to spend ultimately. That's what it's there for. It's not there just to watch it rise forever, because how will you feel if it all goes back down again? Impressive run up in space this morning. Welcome to you, Ilya. Great stuff. Don't forget to like and share the screen over on Facebook as well. It really helps. Could double bottom, says Ed Nevius. Breaking information there from Ed Nevius. Thank you, Ed. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic, and we have got a really, this is starting to take off now. This is the story behind Virgin Galactic this morning. If you've not yet shared this, I am actually giving away $100 in cash for you to watch the video, the Virgin Galactic video, leave a comment, and also $100 to retweet this. I'm giving away money for you to retweet and watch the video telling you how to make some money. There is the tweet we are talking about, and that's what's driving the stock this morning. A lot of excitement around Virgin Galactic right now. There it is. There's Virgin Galactic. There it is. Okay. There's the tweet. 21 votes, and will Virgin Galactic 50x? Will Virgin Galactic 50x? 21 votes, 66% say yes. Also, you earn points to retweet this video as well. There's the ET, look. ET phone home. Anyway, that's a rubbish impression, but I just did it anyway. Go and retweet all of these and comment and vote in the poll. Now, how do you win the $100? Once you've done all those things, do them through the competition page, which is martynlucas.com on Friday /giveaway. On Friday, we're giving away $100 live on our show. Cash, $100. Here's the $100 we're giving away in the chat. There's the link, martynlucas.com /giveaway. And if you scroll down, we've added some new entries. If they haven't turned ticks, you've got an entry here. There's the retweet. You need to go and retweet it to earn the points. Okay. There's the magic number in the video. Watch the whole video, solve the puzzle, and leave the magic number. So once you've worked it out, you put the number in there. So if you go 7, the answer is no. Wrong. It's not 7. All right. So you can do that, but you have to watch it all through. If you don't watch all the video and leave a comment, your ticket gets validated when we draw them. So don't waste your time doing that. And also, we've added another one. Leave a comment. ET phone space. There it is. But again, you have to watch the whole video, like, and leave a comment. If you don't do all of it, it won't be counted once we verify at the end before we draw the tickets. Has anyone done it this morning? Let's have a look. 2 days to go. And it's at least $100. 10,778. I will tell you, only 35 people have taken part in the draw. Only 35. So that's how many tickets we've given away, because some people want 1 ticket and some people want 1,000 tickets. They've done all the action. So it's up to you to do as much as you like. Virgin Galactic. Now then, I'm waiting for some information back from Virgin Galactic. I did reach out with regard to the news story last night, and I also contacted people involved in the story and have yet had no reply. But when I do, if I get anything, I will bring it to you. Okay, now then. I want to welcome all our guests on TikTok this morning. Welcome to you, Twitter and Facebook. Wherever you are, if you like the stream, your name will appear on the screen. Alpha USDT, sell. That is the question. I can't answer that. I am not the crypto team. Sensei is the crypto team. If he is here, he will answer that for you. I couldn't find the comment to leave. Where was it posted? I couldn't find the comment to leave. Where was it posted, Martin? Unbelievable, Crag. How long have you been doing this? Oh my gosh. All you've got to do is go to the competition page. And if you've got any of these that hasn't got a tick on it, you haven't done it. You know that much, right? Scroll down. All you got to do, it tells you. Look, watch the video, leave the comment. It's right there in the competition. There's the video. Watch it, leave it all the way through. Flipping heck, Crag. Unbelievable, Crag, you are. Unbelievable. All you've got to do is make sure that you've turned all these ticks. Open them up and read them. Don't just come on my channel, hijack my airtime, when all you've got to do is read it. Unbelievable. This is what I have to put up with, folks. And Crag's a member. And he's got a yellow badge. He's been a member for at least 6 months. This is what I'm talking about, folks. This is the sort of stuff I have to put up with. Right. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Pharma. It's got to hold until tomorrow for me to be able to get my money out. All right? It's got to hold. I didn't notice the comment. You didn't notice the comment? You mean you didn't? I didn't notice. Can someone tell me how it's not possible to not notice? Leave a precise comment on the space doc. And don't forget, he will have all these blue ticks. So this big green sticker will stand out like a mile. So he knows he hasn't done this. Leave a precise comment. And then you click on it and it says, leave the comment. But apparently, Crag can't notice that. He can't see that. Crag, you're feeling daft now, aren't you? You're feeling daft now. Well, that's what happens when you come on and ask daft questions. When you ask daft questions, you get daft answers. And I will tell you, and I've just got notified, one out of 3 of you has just put the comment, but not watched it all the way through. When it validates your tickets on Friday, you will lose those tickets. You cannot cheat the system. This system is extremely clever. The AI of this system is clever. People have tried it before and you've seen it deletes the tickets. It will delete your ticket. If you've thought, well, hang a minute, I can just comment and I haven't got to watch it. Nope, it won't work. It knows you've not watched it. It knows you've not liked it and it will go, boop, delete, and it won't count them. So I'm just saying, if you think you want to try and cheat my system, you got no chance. Just saying. Apple up today. I love the headset. Vision Pro. Fantastic. I'm an idiot. Well, your words, not mine. Your words, not mine. Hello there, said Sid. Sid, I'm still waiting. I'm still hoping every day. Every day I think today is the day that Sid will put the Netherlands on the map. So far, the Netherlands is not represented. We have 16 countries. We have Germany, Argentina, South Africa, Norway, Lebanon, Uganda, Canada, Uruguay, Portugal, Ireland, Italy, Turkey, Australia, UK, USA, and Chile. These are all our members from 16 countries, and we have nobody from Mexico and nobody from the Netherlands, even though we have people watch every day. What do I need to do? I know what I need to do. And here it comes. I watched it twice last night. Does that count with the system? No, it doesn't. You got to watch it and read the rules. It says, watch the video all the way through, like it and leave a comment. So guess what you do, Crag? You watch the video, leave a like and leave a comment. It doesn't say, watch it tomorrow, watch it one day, come back the next day, like it, leave it a couple of days, come back the next day and leave a comment. If that's what the rules were, that's what it would say. It doesn't say that, does it? What it actually says is, leave a comment, leave a like, watch it all the way through, leave a like and a comment. That's what it actually says. Unbelievable. Sometimes I don't even know why I do this, because of the abuse I get isn't worth it. Approaching the neckline if it breaks. Ed Nevius. Farmer. I'm hoping that it's going to last until tomorrow. If it doesn't last until tomorrow, I lose $100. Because I'm not scalp trading it. Anyway, unbelievable. So anyway, one out of the 3 of you have just done it, have tried cheating the system. Told you, but you don't listen. Anyway, trying to give $100 away is hard. I don't know why I bother sometimes. Anyway, as I mentioned, as we watch farmers going up, this is our scalp trade today. I hope you're all making money on it. We announced it this morning. Every morning we put a scalp trade if there is one that we feel comfortable with. All right, we're not just making up stuff to get you to get you to be involved. We want to give you really good support, and this is the poll right now. Are you in this one? This is farm. We're up 62%. We announced it this morning. We did the work for you, but don't get lazy. You gotta like go. All right, well, I'm gonna at least tweet it for you. I'm at least gonna vote on it for you. We did all the work for you at 3 o'clock this morning. This is the scalp trade. We want everybody who's in this now, even if you're not, leave me your thoughts. Comment on it. Let us know, and we would like your thoughts on this one this morning. Okay. Farm, Virgin Galactic. Why is it going up? Well, because of the news that broke last night. This was the news that broke last night. It's now my most popular, the fastest growing video I've ever made with ET. Thank you very much. Look, it's got the fireworks. YouTube give you fireworks if it's a number one video. Number one video. It's the fastest growing video I've ever had. Fantastic. So that's why Virgin Galactic is going up today. I am getting more information on that news throughout the day, hopefully. Space 420, looking good. If you're making $6 or $7 a day on this YouTube channel, then how the hell can you afford to give away a $100 bill? Easy. Because I budget, and most importantly, because I have a sponsor. Again, you've not read the news. You've not read the information. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All you got to do, that I have to answer all these silly questions. Cash giveaway sponsored by Sensei Crypto. $100 Sensei Crypto and supported by MSK. Just read it, JP. Just read it. Everything I tell you is 100% true. It's the most honest channel online. Why do people still doubt things I say? I say absolutely 100% truth. There's nothing here. It's exactly as it is. This channel is growing. It has members in 16 countries. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel. 95% of our live viewers are members because every word is true. This is a real life journey. Okay? And once again, I get challenged. And that's fine. I like the challenge. But right now, though, this is for Sid. This is for Sid in Dutch. You ready? Good afternoon, Sid. As it is in the Netherlands, when are you going to become my first member and fly the orange for our friends in the Netherlands? Join today and prepare for an amazing welcome. There you go, that'll do. Here we go. Here we go.
Goedemiddag Sid, zoals het is in Nederland. Wanneer word je mijn eerste lid en vlieg je met de sinaasappel voor onze vrienden in Nederland? Doe vandaag nog mee en bereid je voor op een geweldig welkom.
There you go. See? Let's see what he does now. I've got a guest here. I think this is Russian. We don't have a member in Russia yet either. We don't have I think this is Russian. One Invest. Let me have a quick look. Hello, Martyn.
Martyn, привет.
Hello, Martyn.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, Russia. Let me welcome Russia this morning. We haven't got a member in Russia yet. I don't know if Russia can become a member because of sanctions. They may not be able to, which would be a great shame because we've got friends in Russia, of course. Got friends all over the world. Welcome one from Russia. We would love to welcome you as our first member from Russia. Welcome to you.
Добро пожаловать из России. Мы будем рады приветствовать вас в качестве нашего первого члена из России. Добро пожаловать к вам.
There we go. Okay. Back to Virgin Galactic now is still piling up. We're waiting for some more news to come in from Virgin Galactic and other sources. I am looking into it all the time. I have another comment here in a foreign language. Let me just translate it and see what the comment says. Hang on a minute. This is in Spanish.
Ayer dijeron que SPCE estaba DESOBREBALORADA.
They said Virgin Galactic was undervalued. That is correct. That is correct. But we want to be absolutely clear. That is speculative. The news was compelling. The information was verified. However, we need to do more research on it. So be very careful. You shouldn't be buying it. Your music is uncomparable. Look at that.
Your music is incomparable.
Thank you very much. That's in Russian. How nice is that? Thank you very much indeed for that. I am in trouble. I am in danger of losing my music channel though, because I need to get to 4,000 watch hours. This is my playlist. Click on one of my playlists and let it run. This is what happened in Turkey. We did a fundraiser to help the people in Turkey. Go to my music channel and click a playlist and let it run. But anyway, hoping Tilray goes back to $2. You ain't kidding. I want it to go to $5. My average is $2.34. I want to make some money and get out of it. If you give away the money, you should give it to Leah for all of those TV dinners she's fixed for you. The idea, JP, is invest in myself. We are building the channel. We're supporting people. We're helping people. We're trying to be the best channel online. The best. In fact, I'm going to start calling this a TV show because it is. YouTube is now YouTube TV. This is a TV show. We have a TV studio. We broadcast in 4K. This is a TV studio. I'm going to stop calling it online, YouTube, like YouTube, Facebook channel. It's a TV show. Welcome to our TV show. That's what this is. Really? We broadcast in 4K. We've got a TV studio. You've all seen it behind me. This is a TV studio. And so, yeah. It's better than most TV studios, if I'm honest. So I'm going to start calling it a TV show. I think I should do that. Let's forget this idea of just a online show, whatever. Anyway, yes, same Crag. Ha ha, Flutter Edits. Okay. Let's check our farmer right now. Farmer Brothers. I'm still down at the moment, but I'm not selling it today. I'm holding it, and I've explained why. If you've not paid attention, where were you? All right. Okay, let me see how many are watching us now on YouTube. 55 watching this morning. Thank you to all of you that have tuned in today. Virgin Galactic is still going up. It's been a while since I've been here with this family. Still love it. Flutter Edits. What country are you from? We've got 16 countries represented. What country are you from? Did you see all the flags rolling across the top of the screen? Virgin Galactic now is still moving up. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Farmer, it's going up now. Mullen, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. You can't overbuy land. I've said it over and over again. Martyn has the best YouTube TV show. There you go. There you go. I think it's safe enough. Be safer than holding most other cannabis stocks, Flutter. In the meantime, Space is up 30 cents per share today. In the meantime, you're absolutely... Joanna Nelson has liked the stream on Facebook. Everybody like this. Everybody, let's do it now. Let's have a blow up moment. Let's crush it on Facebook now. You ready? I want everybody to like the stream on Facebook. I want everyone's name to appear on the screen, right? Let's do a little thing here. Let's do a little thing. You ready? Okay. I'm going to do it. We're going to blow it up. We've never had 10 likes on our stream. Here's our Facebook stream. Just give it a like. Go on. Let's do it. Let's break the record. We're at 6 likes right now. There you go. There's Facebook in the thing. I'm going to give it to my guests on Rumble as well. There you go. Everybody on Rumble, we're trying to break a record this morning. Let's see if we can do it. And I'll also give it to our guests who are watching on Twitter as well. Just for the heck of it. Let's do it, shall we? Let's get 10. We've never had 10 likes before. Greg Bennington liked the stream. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Tesla going high as well. Yes, everyone's making money. Remember to take some profits, though. Oh, I liked it myself. I gave myself. Do you know how many miserable people there are in the world? There are such sad, miserable people. It's a real shame. I get one of the comments I get more than anything else. And people actually think it makes a difference. They try to bring me down with their negativity. They actually come on and comment to me on different platforms and they say, stop liking your own post. Like I'm going to listen to what you tell me, right? Stop liking. And I reply back, I'm sorry you don't like what you do every day. I'm sorry your life is miserable. But I like what I do and I like every one of my posts. Why would I not? Why would I write something that I don't approve or like? How ridiculously stupid would that be? Of course I like what I do. Well, you shouldn't like it. Why? Where's the rules that it says you can't like your own posts? You're trying to influence the algorithm. Are you a lunatic? You cannot influence the algorithm by me, one person, liking my own video. I live in a world where I love it and I'm happy. And every day I wake up to the best audience in the world. Look at this. I ask my members and my team to do something and everyone does it. Why would I not be happy? We've raised over $1 million for charities. We've been here through the saddest of times. We've been here through the most wonderful times. We've seen people, you know, I'm just going to say the saddest of times live on our show. We've had people win. We've had people make money. We've had people get married. We've had people give birth to children. We've sent money all around the world for charities. We've got the most engaged channel online. Every morning I speak to the world. I've got members in 16 countries. It's 19 days to our second anniversary. I spend 10 hours a day with you guys live. What is there not to like about my life? I love my life. I love my family. And you're damn right. I like every stream. Even the days when I lose money. Because that's the days I buy the dips. Let's have a look. I think he was trying to say incompetent. Incompetent. Hey, I'm Russian speaking, even though I've been living in the USA for 31 years so far. Hey, Ilya. Where did I don't see anyone saying incompetent. Where was that? I don't know what that... I maybe got that out of context. I'm now back again in the green room. Oh, I'm back in the green with Virgin Galactic. Look at this. Every single person is liking the stream. Mark Zuckerberg's going to go, who's this guy on YouTube that we didn't hear about? He's now on Facebook. He's getting everyone to like his stream. What's going on? Anyway, I want my Martyn Lucas TV. Brilliant. We'll do that. I'll do a song about it. Hey, Martin. Alex Pugh. How are you? Alex Pugh, how are you? I'm Flutter Edits on YouTube. Hi, Alex Pugh. How are you? I like the little emoji. Coca-Cola becoming a buy as well. Now then, let's explain. Why is Coca-Cola going down? Coca-Cola is a buy. And I think you've got one. Is it, Eric, can you remind me, what is the ex-dividend date for Coca-Cola? Why is Coca-Cola a buy? Coca-Cola, J&J are sources of funds. When the market turns bullish, they go down because it's old money. People have bought this 1,000% up over 30 years ago, and they take some profits to buy emerging markets, emerging stocks, emerging companies. Sources of funds. These are very reliable dividend king paying stocks. You can take some money from here knowing that you can reinvest it in something else that pops, trim off and buy it back. It's like a safe bank. It'll always go up. But on days when the markets are surging like they are today, they trim off. Coca-Cola and J&J are sources of funds. Remember, you buy when everyone is selling. You don't buy Virgin Galactic today. People who have no idea what they're doing are buying Virgin Galactic today. Is anyone buying Virgin Galactic? I'm talking to you. You don't know what you're doing. You should have already done your research. You should already be in and you're enjoying the pump. You don't buy it now. You sell it now if you want to trim off the top. Now, I'm 12% up on my main account and I'm 6% down in my Roth IRA at the moment. So I could take some profits if I wanted to. I don't buy it now. What the heck is the point of that? However, what you can do is you can scalp it on days like this, which is exactly what that is. So if you bought it at $3 like I did, and it rises all the way up like this, and you think, okay, I'm up 40%, time to take some, time to bank something, right? And then it drops to here, you buy it back in here. Now, if you buy it back in here, have you lost because you paid more for it than before? No. You've still got that profit. Your average will move up and it will look like you've made no money, but that's why you've got to log all your trades. So you know actually you are actually up. Because if you bought here and you sold here and then you bought back here, what you did, you saved all of this because you've still got all that money. You only paid this. You paid this, you've now got this. So all of that is free money, is profit. So you've got more money. So when you buy back here, some people go, I don't want to buy back now. I want to stay in, and they don't sell, and that's why they lose their money. When it drops back, you have saved it dropping here because you already made the profit from that point to that point, and now you've bought back here. And that's what's happening now. So on the way up, that's exactly what people will do. They are taking profits on the way up and they do it over and over again. That's scalp trading. That way, should it drop, you've banked profits all the way up. Even though you keep getting back in and keep getting back out, if you buy it when it drops a little bit, you've got a bit more for your money. So ultimately, if this goes on like this all day, up, drop a bit, up, drop a bit, up, drop a bit, you could end up at the end of the day with all free stocks. At the end of the day, you could end up with your entire position in a stock with the house's money for free. That's why it's important. And that's why some people will take a profit along the journey. Anyway, our scalp trading tip this morning is making everybody a lot of money. I hope you all did this. We gave you this stock tip this morning. It's now up 81%, 82%. It's flying. This is absolutely wonderful. A lot of people took profits. I would now be out. But as I've explained, I'm not, and I'm going to try it again. Now it's gone past the bell. Let me see if I can. I don't think I can. I'm pretty sure I can't. 346. So we'll go. We'll go set. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. Limit order. Trading stop order. Continue. And let me have a quick look at it. I don't think it will allow me. I'm pretty certain it won't. I'm up 9% now, so I'll put a 1% drop. I'm pretty sure it won't. I'll do a 2%. And we'll take profits here. This is good. I don't think it's going to allow me to, unfortunately. Continue. 32. I'm pretty sure it will say pattern day trading now, and that's fine. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There you go. No. So to answer the question, no, it doesn't. If you go before the bell and then on the bell, no, it's going to have to be tomorrow. Now I could turn it off, take my profit. Brilliant. If I do that, however, then I will be pattern day trading, and I don't want that. It doesn't matter. There's nothing wrong with being pattern day trade. Don't feel there's any sort of stigma to it. But if I do, then I will lose stock lending, and I will also lose uninvested cash. I don't want that. Okay, there's no reason for that. It's not worth it. If I put 10 grand in and I was up $1,000, or whatever, which I would be right now, different. That's more than I earn on uninvested cash. That's more than I earn on stock lending. Then yes. But in this case, no. I'm going to hold my position. Anyway, farm. Great tip. Now then, we don't just want to give you stock tips every day for you to make money because, we're miserable like that. We don't do it just so you can make money. We do it so you learn how to make money yourself. And that is all provided, this knowledge is all provided at Sensei Crypto. Okay? Sensei Crypto and Ed Nevius are in the same company, and they are in my team here on my show. And here is Sensei's website. Sensei, oh no, I wasn't going to give it out, was I? Sensei, I'm not giving it out. I want the code. I'm not giving you any more people until you give me my code. Where's my code? I want to be measured. I'm going to put him under pressure now. I'm going to put him under pressure. So I want my code before I give the link out again. That'll get you off your ass. Right, no more free money. No more free money. Let me just try and read this. I'm just trying to read some comments here. Tony Betts, where was the tip? I've not any notification about Farmer Brothers. Tony Betts, we do it live in the show. We make it as clear as you possibly can. We do this. We do funky music. We do alerts. We do the text. We've got excitement. And the moment I put the information out during a live show, it is on my Twitter account. But you're not following me on Twitter, so you're missing it. Here it is. This is where we posted it. Now, if you want the information before, that's why you are a member of Sensei Crypto. That gives you even before. There is the post. There is the post. Farm. There you go. People have already voted on it. You snooze, you lose. You snooze, you lose. I'm just saying. Here it is. Follow me on Twitter. You'll get the information. The moment I go live, the moment my stream starts and I am in, you will see it. I might even go early. But the moment I am on air, the moment my broadcast, my live chat is running, then I will post it. So there it is. So you miss out if you don't follow me on Twitter. Okay. Tell the wonderful Leah to fix you some chicken fried steak, smashed potatoes, brown gravy, sweet corn, green peas, spot of tea, and a biscuit. Oh, that sounds lovely. Could you explain a bit about stock lending? Trading 212 offered me this. Not sure what it's all about. Andy, yes, I will. I have to focus on my members right now. I've got members' questions to cover. If you become a member, I can focus on you, or you can wait until I get to the bottom of the questions. I speak to every single person. I answer everyone's questions. I make videos for everybody. There's many perks of being a member. There's an invitation to join. Become a member. Join our 16 countries that are represented if you're not a member already of one of these countries. And I will answer your question. That'll take me 5 minutes to explain, and I will come back to you. So remind me again if I get an empty spot. But right now I'm going through the members' questions. Or become a member, and there's the link in the chat. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? I do. Now I have. I now have Twitter. Sadly, I was working until 3 p.m. Yep. We give it information every morning. Martin, when you have a chance, please add 100 tickets for a magic number that will be published on my newsletter. For anyone who signs up for my free plan on my website, an email will go out on Friday. Right. This is important. Breaking news. This could be the tickets that help you to win the competition. 100. I want 100 then. I want 1,000 tickets for doing one of my things then. If you're getting 100, I want 1,000 for one of my things. Just saying. So here it is. 100 tickets available for a magic number that will be published on my newsletter. For anyone who signs up for my free plan on my website, an email will go out Friday. Also, oh my gosh, breaking news. Sensei Crypto, if you win and if you decide to donate your money to charity, we will give, and our registered charity on our account is Development Alert Uganda. It's our Africa our Africa charity with Zach from Uganda. If you choose that option, we will increase the prize money to $150. So you can take the prize money yourself, or you can opt to give $150 to our charity that we support, which is Development Alert Uganda. Wow. Very good indeed. All right. Sensei, I need you to give me that code. And so basically, the invitation to join your website has a number on it, so you can measure it. Getting lots of requests now for your website. I want that code. Can you do it now? Anyway, Martyn, if you call Robinhood during break, explain your new feature to them that you are live and miscounted your trades. Let them know you used them live on your show. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about that. I'm not worried about that. Don't worry about that. If I lose my money, I lose my money. I'm not going to call them. I haven't got time. I've got to focus on the show and people. I appreciate, Ed, you trying to help me make some money here, but my focus has to be you guys. All right. Okay, I appreciate that. I haven't got time for that. I've got to answer all the questions when I finish the live show. This may stair step today. They will let it slide. Well, we don't know that. They might do, but I haven't got time to spend on the phone, I'm afraid. I've got to focus on my members. So, for me to be able to create that entry for that action on the competition, Sensei, I need the link which includes the I need the special link which is my referral link to you, so you can measure it. Otherwise, it's not going to work that way. Anyway, code will come next month for you and Ed. Not at all. Oh, okay. Will come when education course. Sorry, no, don't apologise. Don't apologise. That's just me expecting the same standards from you that I give to you. That's just me. I'm only joking. Don't worry about it, Sensei. Of course, right, here's Sensei's link. I don't care. Just try to max it out, mate. Just try to max it out. I don't miss a trick, but, not everyone's like me, are they? Not everyone's like me. I've got to, Leah says that. She says you can't expect everyone to do what you should expect them to do. And you can't expect everyone to be like you. I know. It's something I have to live with every day. Right, there we go. Not everybody else wants to go live 10 hours a day and commit their life to this nonsense. Most people have a life. Right? So I'm the only one. So it's fair enough. There's the link. The code is only for paid subscription. This is a free plan. All right, then. I'm just saying, though, you won't know how many people are... I tell you what, Sensei, assume this. Everyone that signs up for anything that you do, newsletters, free, it's all from me anyway. Because let's be honest, everyone's watching my show, so it's obvious, isn't it? It's obvious. Where does anyone come from to watch your show? Me. It's the only place it comes from. I just want to make sure I get credit for it. All right? Oh my gosh, it's funny, isn't it? Hello, Martyn. Any news on Virgin Galactic? Oh my gosh. Are you Baron Handley, where have you been? Any news on Virgin Galactic? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I put out a video last night, which has become my #1 growing video on my channel. It's the fastest ever growing video. And this is why Virgin Galactic is up. And you're saying to me, any news on Virgin Galactic? Do you ring the bell? Do you ring the bell? Here is the link, look. There's a link to the video. Go and watch the video. Unbelievable. I'm even giving away $100 in cash and $150 to charity for you watching the video. All right? So sort yourself out. Baron Handley, what the heck is going on? Please can you show the website and show how to subscribe for the free plan? Please go to the plans and pricing tab. Yes, 90% are Martyn. That's why I'm a sponsor. Correct. I just want to have that said. 90%. I actually think it's 95%, actually. I just want to say 95%, actually. It's important. It's important, right? It's important. If I'm going to put the work in, I deserve the credit, right? I'm just saying, right? Because in a minute, you'll be giving credit to Mike. You'll be going, well, Mike likes it on YouTube. Yeah, right? Mike likes everything on YouTube. That's what Mike does. Mullen is now gone down to 50. Remember I told you Mullen's going to 0. Lucid's worth nothing. It loses $500,000 every time it sells a car. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Now, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Virgin Galactic is up today and holding up despite things like Apple going back down again. This is extremely bullish for Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic could sell off now because, look at this. In fact, I need to put that out now. That's a very important thing. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Well, why aren't you paying attention then, Baron Handley? Baron Handley, I've given you the news. Look, here it is on my channel. Look, it's the #1 video I've ever done. How do I know? Look, 1 out of 10. Look, refresh it. YouTube gives you fireworks if it's your #1 video. Look, #1 ever video. I've given you information. You can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Just saying. Right, I've got to make a video. Very important video. This is extremely important for Virgin Galactic. 1:56. And then I've got to get off because I've got things to do. I've got a life to lead. I've got to answer everyone's questions on YouTube. Yep, that's right. Every one of the members gets their questions answered. Non-members, you got no chance now because I haven't got time. But I do all the members. Make videos, reply to all your comments, comment on all your Twitters, all your Facebooks, all of it. Non-members, you got no chance, right? Become a member. Sort your life out. Okay, here we go. This is important. So let me go back to... okay, this is important. Right, okay. Got a production screen. Don't need that. I don't need that. I've got too many screens now. It's getting too complicated. My life is too complicated. Okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. The bullish signal ever for Virgin Galactic. What is it? I'm going to share with you exactly what this is right now. So watch this video. It's not a long video. This is going to be a short video. But if you watch to the end, I might give you another chance to win $100. We've just increased it. $100 to you or $150 to charity. Yep, we just increased it. The more money we make, the more we give to you. The more you watch the videos, the more money I make, the more money I give to you. It's great, isn't it? You see how it goes round and round? Keeps on going round. Virgin Galactic, the best bullish sign I've seen for Virgin Galactic is this. The stock price is up today. Why? People are saying, do you influence the stock? No. I want to be absolutely clear. I know I rank #1 for Virgin Galactic. I know I rank #1 for SPCE stock on Google and YouTube. I know that. Above Virgin Galactic themselves. However, does that mean I can influence a stock? No. And it shouldn't mean I influence you either. You should do your own research. I go live every day to bring you all the news as it breaks. Sometimes I have no news. People often complain and say, there's no news. Well, there's not always news. However, I go live to make sure that you have all the information for you to make an informed decision. Why is this the most bullish sign? Now, first of all, if you've not yet watched the video from last night I put out about Virgin Galactic, you need to go and see it. This video here is now my #1 trending video on my channel. Look, if I refresh the screen, it will give the fireworks from YouTube. Look at that, look. Everyone's watching that and everyone's getting excited. But that isn't the bullish news. The reason this is bullish news, you have to look at the overall market. Look at what just happened on the market some moments ago. We had everything fly up this morning and then dump off. Straight back down again. However, Virgin Galactic is not going down. These little dips are people taking profits, and we explain the benefits of scalp trading on the way up. You should do it. Always take profits. There's nothing wrong with that. However, why is this the bullish signal I've ever put out on Virgin Galactic? Well, let me show you. You have to look at other stocks to understand it. First of all, Apple popped up and went back down again. Amazon is going down a lot today. What does that tell you? Well, you have to compare that in relationship to J&J and Coca-Cola. Why? Why am I saying this? Well, the reason why I'm saying this is J&J and Coca-Cola is old man money, safe stocks, as I like to call it, source of funds. People that are in Coca-Cola and J&J have been in, the big money, have been in for many, many years. They're up thousands of %. They've held the stock forever and ever and ever. Okay, this is a bank. This is a free place to go because you know this is always going to go up long term. They're dividend kings. However, when the markets are bullish, which they are acting bullish today, and these stocks are down, it's when they get used as sources of funds. However, Amazon, which is one of my top buys, is not being bought. It's being sold. Rivian is being sold. Tesla's doing very well, always the exception to the rule, of course. But Virgin Galactic is holding up. Now, we're having some profit taking, but let's see if it holds up. My prediction is, as I'm making this during a live video, it'll drop a bit more and then hold up. It's not being dumped like the rest of the market. Let's have a look. My overall portfolio is turning red. But Virgin Galactic is actually holding up. Now, what does that tell me? It tells me that people are taking profit because they're up today, and they should be, right? And they should be taking profit. However, it's not selling off. Now, that is unusual because I have always said that high-risk stocks like Virgin Galactic, no matter how bullish you are, it is a high-risk stock. It is volatile. It is speculative. What does that mean? Well, because they're not making any money, they're losing money, they've got debt, and so on and so forth. Absolutely, it can drop like a stone. However, it's holding up when other stocks that are being sold of sources of funds like J&J, Coca-Cola, I'm making this during a live video, so I can't edit this video or, hope the story goes the way I want it. It's happening as we are live. Amazon's still selling off, and yet Virgin Galactic is holding. That is a bullish signal for Virgin Galactic. So what do you think? Are you all in? Now, if you would like to take part in our Twitter poll, we are running a Twitter poll right now about Virgin Galactic. Go over to my Twitter account. We actually put out a scalp trade this morning where everyone's making a lot of money on farm this morning, up to like 60-70%, and everyone's making money on that, which is really great. But this is my Twitter, but here is the question I asked you, and the question I asked you was, is Virgin Galactic going to 50x? Now, not only do you want to vote in this poll and share this poll because you can promote the story of Virgin Galactic. If you're an investor, of course, you want to do that. If you're a shorter, you probably don't, because 72% think it's going to 50x. You can also win $100 for yourself or $150 for charity by simply going to my competition page, which is martynlucas.com/giveaway. Links above my head. up there somewhere. Links in the description as well. And turn all of the actions, which are green for me because I can't enter, into blue ticks. And you could be in our giveaway. And down there, we have retweet that very post about it 50xing. You can win $150 for charity or $100 for yourself. We've also got watch all the video all the way through from last night, and you have to watch all the way through. Please don't try and cheat. People always try and cheat. It won't work. My AI is far too intelligent. Watch all the way through and get the magic number. Also on top of that, you've got the precise comment as well, which is ET phone space. Again, you've got to watch it all the way through. So there you go, giving you opportunities there to make some money as we see the markets continue to sell off and Virgin Galactic still holding up above my other stocks. This is definitely a bullish sign for Virgin Galactic. By the way, did you smash the like button? I left it to the end. Don't know why I did that. Should have done it at the beginning. No one's going to wait until the end of the video. I will know now how many people watched to the end. Did you like the video? Did you tap? Did you tap me on the head? Bum, 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 bum. Then he's better looking than me, to be honest. He never ages. It's one of the advantages. Bum, 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 bum. Did you tap the like button? I hope you did. I hope you did. I'll know if you did, because by the end of the video, there's probably nobody here. Anyway, if you're still here, you would have liked the video. And then, of course, did you ring the bell? All right. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There you go. I'll put that out in a bit. Virgin Galactic still all right. It's still up 2.88. UCAR, yes, I do. Thoughts on Virgin Galactic? I love when people ask me about Virgin Galactic when I've just spent the last 2 hours talking about it. 59 watching, only 16 likes. 16 likes. You need to refresh your screen. Queen of Celebrating, don't come on here spreading false information about the success of my channel. Don't come on here spreading false information. I'll tell you how many people are watching. There's 57 watching. So you're close enough there, but you're absolutely out. 45 likes. Where's this 16? Refresh the screen. Refresh the screen. Come on, refresh the screen. All right? Okay, 45. Can we get 50 likes? Just to make the point for Queen. In fact, go on. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Slap him on the head. Slap him on the head again. There you go. 46. Go on. And if you smash the like, what it does is it shares it out on YouTube. More people get to see the video. More people get to learn about Virgin Galactic. More people make money. Everybody wins. All right. Unbelievable. Only 16 liked it, apparently. According to Queen, only 16 liked it. Now then, before I go, let's go back to farm a minute. Back to farm. It's 333. It says it needs to break 350. Let's have a look. This was our scalp trade tip this morning. We put this out for you. We gave everyone the chance to make some money. It's up 72%. I hope you've all made some money. Very happy if everybody has. Absolutely great. Every morning we have scalp tips like this. Every morning it came to you like this. This is, whoops-a-daisy. I'm breaking my own thing. I've broken it. There you go. I busted it. There we go. Where's it gone? There you go. That's better. Every morning we bring you, we do it like this. The text comes up. It tells you what to buy. It tells you what we're buying. 50 likes. Thank you very much. We play the music. It all gets exciting. We've done all the research. We've been studying it since 3 o'clock this morning. Yes, 3 o'clock. You heard me right. That's what we do for you. And then we post it on Twitter so you can follow it, see what we're doing. We make updates on the video. You can comment on it and so on and so forth. All right? All right. Just saying. Okay, I think we've got to get off. I've got some questions to answer, videos to make. Let me go now and see if we've got any comments that I've got to reply to. Here we go. Now, let me have a look. Let me share with you how I do this. We're now we're going to do day trader of the day, and I'm going to share some stuff now for the members. Okay, so Craig, Crag replied, ET phone space. There you go. Reply to you, and I'm going to give you the big giveaway on June 9th. That explains to you, you have to watch all the way through. It will be discounted if you've not watched all the way through. It gets verified when we verify at the end the tickets, all right? ET phone space, this was the comment. Now, if you've done this and you've not watched it all the way through and liked it, your points will not count. You may receive an email from me just warning you of that. Very, very important. Okay, here's another one. This is Dave Mottram. Same for you, Dave. You've got to make sure that you've done it properly. If you've not, the tickets, when we validate, just before we announce the winner, it goes through, validates everybody, and takes you off if you've not done it. So you can't cheat it just thinking, well, I don't have to watch it. It doesn't help at all your cause to win the tickets. All right. Okay. And ET phone space. This is Christine Cruz. I believe Christine, is it from the Philippines, isn't it? I believe. You should become a member, and then we can fly the flag for the Philippines as well. Right. Now then, I've replied to everybody there. Let me just have a quick look and see if I've got any wonderful negative comments. Let's have a look. This is the rubbish I get. Look. That there is a spammer, so we'll report that. We've got a comment here. This is probably spam. Let me, first of all, I have to translate it. And what's the best way to diversify cryptocurrency with a huge loss? That there is, yep, that's spam. So is that. It's always crypto. It's always crypto. And they try in 1,000 ways to get me. I'm trading. Yep. So if these are you, I'm just showing you what happens if you do this. It's a waste of time. I don't just delete you. I report you to YouTube, so your account gets flagged, so you won't be able to comment anywhere else either. So I'm just letting you know that. It's not worth you bothering. All right. I am multitasking. Look at my last comment. Sensei, let me scroll up. Show everyone how to play. Right, okay, I'll do it. Farmers, back to Virgin Galactic. Dropped off, but coming straight back up again. See that? Good. It would be a shame for it to sell off now. I don't think it will, but we'll see. Like I said before, this news is very new. There'll be a lot of horse trading going on throughout this news. I'm sure of that. But I would imagine there'll be a lot of fear of people not wanting to sell their positions. Anyway, let me do this for Sensei. He's asked me to do this, and if you ask me, I'll do it. Let's have a quick look. I can't share comments on the screen for some reason. YouTube sometimes loses the connection. It'll be back on the next stream. So what do you want me to do? You want me to go to... Show everyone how to please, Martin. Go to link and then choose free plan at bottom. Free plan at bottom. I'm going to the bottom. Where do you mean? Plans and pricing. Is that what you mean? And then free plan at the bottom? Oh, I like all this. Hang on a minute. Should everyone to please go to the link. Oh, plans. That must be there then. Plans, pricing, right? And then choose free plan at bottom. Okay. So this is what Sensei wants me to show you. Let me do this for you now. So I'll sponsor. I'm very happy to do it. This is the link. I'll give you the link in the chat right now. Oh, Sensei's already done it. You've got the link. So we go into the plans and pricing. And then we go to the free plan. I don't know what you mean at the bottom. Did you mean at the right? I think that's what you mean. And then that's how you sign up. I like this. Free plan. I like it. Can I sign up for a free plan? Do I get a free plan? Eric B! What's this?
Eric B has become a member.
Eric B, welcome to bronze. Eric, you've been a member. How's that happened? Eric B, how How have you become a member when you've been a member forever? That is very strange. I want to understand what's going on. Is that a scammer? What is that? Eric B has been a member forever. There's no way Eric B wasn't a member. You just become a member. Eric, would you explain to me what has just happened there? Because that's a bit weird. Anyway, there you go. Is that it, Sensei? I've shown everybody how to do it. Now, apparently, Sensei, can I talk to you off air about the 150 tickets, the 100 tickets you want to give away for the giveaway today? I need to understand exactly what we're talking about to be clear. All right. Right. Space is undervalued. Ben Ziega. Now I'm disappointed. Now I'm disappointed. The Queen of Self-Braiding hasn't watched the video, has she? She hasn't watched it. I made a special video last night all about that report, and you didn't watch it, because if you had have watched it, you wouldn't have said that. Here's the link. Unbelievable. Queen of Self-Braiding hasn't even bothered to watch my video. Here's the link from last night, all about it. Right, I've got to get off. I've got to make some videos. I've got to answer some more questions. I've got to go over to Twitter and do stuff. I got a notice that my payment didn't go through, so I just renewed it. Ah. But normally it says you've been a member for so long. I've never seen it do that before. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Anyway, I'm glad you sorted it out. Right then. Have we got anybody to upgrade on Discord before I go? Nothing in the breakfast lounge. Let me close down the broadcast lounge. No one's calling in, so I've done that. Welcome all. Does anybody need upgrading? Agent Shu. Sounds good. Did we do that for Agent Shu today? Yes, we did. Agent Shu's been done. Brilliant. So that's all good. I think we're done then. See ya. Envisage Systems says, see ya. See you later, Envisage. How are you this morning? Markets are going back down now. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. See that? Like I said, Farmers still going up. My membership is my favorite bill, and it should be. You should look forward every week to paying that bill. You should look forward to it. Oh, when's that bill going to come through for Martyn Lucas? When can I pay another membership fee? That's if you're not like that, something's wrong. Right? Okay. Mullen still going down. Right, I've got to get off. Let's do a members only event now. We're going to move over to members only for the last part of our show. Here we go. And this is where we go to Day Trader of the Day. And some exclusive content from our members only. Here it comes. I'm going to give you the link because once I go members, you won't see it. No, that'll be you. That'll be you. Thrown to the bin. There is the invitation to join. Got it? There's the invitation. It's Alex. Hi from the UK. Hey, is that Alex? How are you, mate? I've no idea who you are. You keep changing your name. You keep membership. Then you're not a member. I don't know what's going on. Flipping heck. We've got millions of subscribers since I last spoke to you. Where are we now? Look, let me share with you on the screen. Look, this is where we are now. Look at this. We're big now. We're big time. Look, this is what you call big time. 8,258. And look across the top of the screen. You will see we've got members now in 16 countries. 16. Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, and Germany. Yes, if you're not represented, why not become a member of our family and get represented? All right. Now, 19 days' time, it's our birthday. We now have, this is important news, before I do Day Trader of the Day, right? We are trying to do something very special. We're trying to get to 1 million views by the birthday. We're actually 2 weeks out. 2 weeks out from achieving that goal. However, we can achieve it We can achieve it if everybody does what I'm about to tell you to do. Look, we broke 900,000 yesterday. Look at this. We are now on 904,000. We need 96,000 views to make 1 million. We absolutely can do it if you all do this. And I will tell you right now, only 2 of you have done it. And I don't know why. We've got nearly 9,000 subscribers. At the end of the show, in about 5 minutes, click on the Shorts playlist. There are 1,000 views available because there's 1,000 videos at 15 seconds long. All you got to do is click on that Shorts playlist. It's in the chat now. And when we end the show, just click on it. Let it run. Mute it. Walk away. Let it run. It will get 1,000 views in a couple of hours. And if everyone does it, we could, by the birthday, be on 1 million views. And why this is important is if you watch it, it will share the shorts out to more people, and then we get the ultimate prize of 10,000 subscribers. Why that's important is because at 10,000 subscribers, I can do fundraisers for our charity, which one of those is Development Alert Uganda, but I can do any one of your charities. If you're a silver member, you can have a charity event where YouTube take no commission, no transaction fees, no card fees. They do it all for charity for free. Imagine that. That's why I want to get to 1 million subscribers, 1 million views and 10,000 subscribers. 19 days to go and we're at 904,000. So come on, people. At the end of the show, no effort whatsoever, helping us to raise money for charity with no money taken out, no costs. It's phenomenal. All you've got to do is click the Shorts playlist at the end of this video, and everyone, let it run for an hour. There's 1,000 views that you can get in just an hour or so. It's phenomenal, right? Okay. Sorry, at the bottom on the mobile, on the right of the web. That's all right. Don't apologize, Sensei. I'm just making sure that I got the right thing. But anyway, call me afterwards. Can you call me straight after the show? Have I got any sponsor videos? No, nothing to do on Discord or on TikTok. Call me into the stream and we'll do that. Right, day trader of the day. Members only. Here we go. I was warning you about it. Now I'm going to do it. Members only. And here we go. Day trader of the day. Are you up? Are you down? Did you make money on our scalp trade this morning? We gave you an amazing trade. Hopefully you all made money on it. It's still growing. Everyone should make money on that one. You can't really lose money on it now, can you? Okay, here we go. And if you want the information of why we do it, it's on Sensei's website. Okay, day trader of the day. I'm down overall today. Not really bothered about that. Not really bothered about that at all. I'm down 0.52%. Okay, when the first person posts, we'll put a minute on the clock. I can't share it on the screen, unfortunately. Sometimes YouTube loses links from my broadcast software, and it's done it this morning. It happens sometimes. Right, the markets are rallying back up again now. Virgin Galactic, see, holding up. Like I said, very good. Brilliant. Tesla. Right, George is up 1.9. Very nice indeed. Farmers are still up. Mullen still going down. Lucid still going down. Apple going down. Amazon going down. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google. Chiggy, 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 bow, bow, instead of chiggy, chiggy, Right, 1 minute on the clock. Have we got any more scores? Here we go. George is up 1.9. Give me your scores, guys. Give me your scores. Give me your scores. Come on, what's going on? George is going to win. He's at 1.9 unless we've got anybody else. Any more for any more? Sorry, up 2.2 now. Oh, nice. There's Virgin Galactic going straight back up again. At the same time as other stocks going down. No surprise there, really, was there? Okay. I don't know why we've only got one person commenting. Very, very weird. There is 46 watching. I can't believe what's going on. Very strange. I don't know if everyone's behind a commercial break. I've no idea what it is. It must be that. Anyway, George, you win. Congratulations. Thank you to you. A thumbs up to you. I'm sorry I can't share your name on the screen. It's not connecting right now. That sometimes happens. Anyway, there we go. Let's get... roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. Thank you for being here. Lovely to see you. I want to thank everybody on Rumble today. Farm is climbing, but also stuck in the pattern day trader. Yes. Lucid program. Yep. As I could opt out of it. I don't need to be in it, but I choose to be in it because I'm a glutton for punishment, right? I want to put myself through the pain because that's just me. Right, let's roll the credits. How many likes did we get on the video today on Facebook? Absolutely awesome. That was our record day. 10 was a record. I think we smashed it today. 15 likes. Get in. Get in, Facebook. Oh, yes. Very nice. Meta, thank you very much. Right, let's go. Let's roll the credits. Let's roll the credits this morning and get everybody taken care of. Who are the stars of our show today? Stars of our show today. Eric B gave me a super chat. Well, actually, he became a member. Not quite sure what happened there. He became a member. He was already a member. I don't quite know how he became a member again. Anyway, I won, but it wasn't much of a competition. No, it wasn't. No one else could be bothered. So, George, I wouldn't go down the pub tonight and tell everybody you won, because most people couldn't be bothered to even enter. I think, you know, they've made so much money, they don't want to announce it. They're okay to put them up 1 or 2%, but when someone's up 100%, they don't like announcing it. They don't like showing off. So you probably lost, actually, but I would take it as a win. I would take it as a win, and I would enjoy it. I would enjoy it, and well done to you. All right, that's it. I'm done. It's time to go. Thank you very much indeed. What a depressing way to end the show. We're all up, and then we turned red on the overall portfolio turned red. No one's here. I'm talking to myself. Pretty depressing, really, if I'm honest. But don't worry about it. I'll see you back very soon for more Virgin Galactic breaking news and updates on our stock, on our scalp trade. Until then, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves. Let's hear it in the chat. Everybody and each other. That's a new thing. We're starting that today, by the way. Bye-bye.